enjoy this Yoga Nidra. So let's begin. Please find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, spine supported, eyes open or closed. Feel the body sinking, supported by the seat or by the ground upon which you lay. Allow your shoulders to spread across the floor or the chair. Move your head from side to side to release the neck and allow the head to sit in neutral. Imagine a golden light surrounding your body from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes, and feel this light widening outwards, creating an aura or a golden globe of light around you. Feel this light pulsating with life and energy, allowing the vibration to heal mentally, emotionally, and physically whilst you relax. Let's take our attention to the breath. And I invite you to observe your breath. Do not force it or tense it. Let it move like the passing clouds or the ocean waves. Undoing through inhale, releasing the tension. Sip the air through your nose and notice its quality. Is it warm or does it feel cold? As the air travels, expand the chest and fill your belly with light. Witness the breath as it travels and flows through the body, coming and going, the evenness, the quiet rhythm, allowing the body to be. Become aware of melting into your seat or into the floor, and feel safe, secure. Feel the golden light soak into your body, drenching your cells with fresh life force, allowing yourself to surrender in this orb. Now take your attention to your feet. Allow the toes to spread and separate. Turn the toes inwards, flex and release. Allow the instep to relax. The soles of the feet to find their natural position. The ankles to unwind. Feel the feet as solid and heavy, moving away from you, dense and heavy, so heavy that you're unable to move them. Allow the feet to relax and let go. Feel them drop out to the sides. Draw your attention to your legs. Allow the legs to release. The shins, the calves, the knee, the kneecap, the thigh, the back of the thigh. Allow the legs to release and let go. Feel as though the legs are moving away from you, solid, heavy, and dense. Now take your attention to your hands, to the back of your hands, touching the ground or the seat, to your fingertips, the fingers and the palms of your hands. Feel the softness in the palm of your hand. Notice the pulse move through the fingertips. Allow the lower arm to let go, the elbow, the upper arm, and the whole of the arm releasing down, moving away. Take your attention to your back. Feel the vertebrae release from the base of the spine to the crown of the head. Visualize each vertebra letting go. Release onto the floor or be cushioned by the back of the seat. Feel the whole of the spine spread outwards. Feel your back widen. At the same time, feel the length, the stretch, the whole of the back spreading across the ground or against the seat. And become aware of the amount of space the body takes. Take the visualization to the belly and become aware of the softness in the belly, drawing the pulse to the center with the slow, steady breath. The calm, quiet coming and going of the breath. Witness the rhythm, the separation of the breath, the pause, and the point of stillness. Feel as if the whole body is breathing, that the breath is breathing the body. Allow the belly to let go. Feel the softness growing. Allow the chest center to open out, and on each inhalation, feel the division of the breath. Allow this openness to create a space within the chest center, allowing you the freedom to breathe. Breathe mentally and physically. Allow this freedom to open out the heart center, creating a release as the center fills with peace. Feel this openness spread into the throat to release your voice. Take a deep breath in, and on an exhale, release a sigh. Allow the breath to move around the neck, the back of the head, the crown of the head, the scalp, the spaces between the scalp and the skull, and the hair on the head. Allow the face to soften. Your jaw slightly drops. Feel the muscles of the face release across the forehead, the eyes, the eyebrows, and the eyelids, relaxing into pools of darkness. Draw the temples back. Release the nose, the tip of the nose, the cheeks and the cheekbones, the upper lip and the lower lip, slightly parting, allowing the jaw and the hinges of the jaw to drop. Allow the chin to relax and the ears and the earlobes to drop back. Within the rhythm of your breathing, feel the whole body release and sink down. All you are aware of is the steady breath, the rise and fall of your belly as the breath moves in and out. The stillness, the journey, and the visualization of the golden light